Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox my USB hub which I get on Flipkart. So I will provide the product link in the description. So let us unbox it. As you see the package of the product, from my side I got with good package. So let's open the box. So guys, as you see that this is a bill. So I got it like this. So let's see the build quality of this product. So it is 3.0, as you see here, USB 3.0, and 4 ports are there, USB ports. So remember guys, if the USB is 3.0, we can get the port with blue color, as you see here. So and the length of this cable is 30 centimeters, as you see the specifications here. So it is of 5 Gbps speed it can attain, and for 50 centimeters, sorry guys, here it is 50 centimeters length. So as you see here, the speed is of 5 Gbps. So let us check the speed of this USB hub. Guys, now I have connected my mouse to this USB hub, and you can see the pen drive as well. So let's check the responsiveness of the mouse. As you see the here, yes, it is as usual. Guys, now I'm gonna pasting one file which is of small file I have taken here. So 2 files are there. So let us check the transfer and receive speed. Now let us open the pen drive file. So we are in the pen drive folder. Now we are having the 2 files. Now let us open the pen drive. So we are at the pen drive folder. Firstly, I am sending the small file from PC, as you see here, small file. I am copying it. Let us see the properties. So it is of 2.15 GB file, small file. Now I am gonna paste into my pen drive. So you can see the speed, guys. It is almost it is experiencing on an average, I can say, 10 Mbps. Guys, if you see the graph, you can think about the speed, that it is around 9.5 to 10 Mbps. For me it took around 3 minutes to transfer a 2.1 GB file from PC to pen drive. Now let's see the receive speed. Now I am selecting the same file which I pasted, the file from PC to this pen drive. Now I am selecting the same file and I am copying it, and again I am pasting here. So let's see the speed. Guys, you can see that it is around 30 Mbps of receiving speed. It is quite it is 3 times faster than transfer speed if we analyze. It took around 1 minute to transfer a file of 2 GB file. Now I am selecting the large file which is of 8.2 GB file. Now I am copying it from PC and pasting here. So guys, again, if you see the speed, it is same as earlier. It is again a 10 Mbps speed only, so there is no change between a small file and large file if you are sending from PC to pen drive. If you see the speed graph, it is visible there, so it is around 10 Mbps only. It is fluctuating, as you see there. As you see there, it is speed is between 9.5 to 10.5 Mbps. The way to check if your PC port supports USB 3.0 is go to Start button and press Device Manager. As you see, Device Manager, hit the option and scroll down. Then you will find the last folder as like this, and click here, and if you see any title is having USB 3.0, then the ports will support, your PC ports will support USB 3.0. If you feel this video is helpful for you, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any queries. Thanks for watching my video.